To activate one hand mode by tapping the home button twice in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, first you have to set the way to reduce the screen to button. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap one hand mode. Under reducing display size with section, select button. To activate one hand mode by reducing the display size, tap the home button twice. Now the screen has been reduced to provide you an easier control when you need to navigate your phone with one hand. Well, to exit from this mode, tap the home button twice. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.